Hey everyone, thanks so much for stopping by at the Peppered Peach today. We're gonna be making banana bread from Magnolia Cookbook Volume number 1. So I do love banana bread. I have a recipe that I use, and I've actually never made this recipe from her book before. So we're gonna give it a try, see how it, comes out. I'm sure it's gonna be delicious, but we have all of our ingredients right here. So let's get this banana party started. All right, so our first step is to take some butter, which is 1 stick salted butter, and it's at room temperature. And we are going to mix that together with our brown sugar. Brown sugar, want to come out? Nope, there we go. Our brown sugar and our eggs. We're going to use the paddle attachment. So, there we go. We're going to mix away, and I'm going to slowly add in our vanilla. Dump. So while that's mixing, I'm just going to get our bananas ready. We do mash them, but I'm just going to use my hands for that and just slowly push this into the mixer here. It does say we want 4 to 5 bananas. So I'm going to use all 5. All right. Okay, so that is all mixed. Now let's take our bananas. I'm just going to squish these in here. They're going to get mixed really well anyway. Whoops. So I'm not super worried about little chunks because it's going to get mixed together, and it makes your, do we like that piece? Probably not, but you know who will? Penny or Bauer. All right. Oh, here she comes. She knew it. She heard her little voice, her little name. All right, mix, mix, mix. This is like kind of gross, but Louis does love banana bread, and so does his brother. So I make banana muffins for them pretty frequently. It's nice to have, it's a nice little treat. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands now that they're all banana-y, and then we're gonna mix it. All right, so now that my hands are clean, I'm gonna mix this together. All right. Okay, so now that that is all mixed, we are going to take our dry ingredients, which is 1 cup and 3/4 of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, and how much sugar? How much is in this sugar? Let's see. No, this is not for me. What am I thinking? I don't need that sugar. I need salt. Let me get some salt. So we need a teaspoon of salt. Okay, now we're gonna mix this together. It would have helped if I had a mixer, but I'm just gonna use this. Stir it together. Where did that sugar come from? I don't know. But good thing I read it. Okay. Now we're gonna slowly add in our dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. So, and also I should mention you can use pecans if you want to. I am scratching that. So some people put pecans, some people put walnuts. Not this girl, okay? So we're gonna add this in and we're gonna start mixing. All right, let's use the rest. And let me just scrape I'll scrape the sides right after. Whoa, wasn't ready for that level 2. All right. Okay, so let's just scrape the sides. There's some flour on the sides. I want to get that all in there. The other recipe I use actually uses sour cream, and it's just to kind of keep it moist, so I'm very interested to see how this comes out. Okay. So we have my pan in the back. I have a parchment paper on there. I'm gonna wash my hands, grab it, and we're gonna put it in the pan and then throw it in the oven, she says, for 40 minutes. So let's get this pan, wash my hands, and we'll get it in there. All right, y'all, it is time to add our batter into our prepared little pan here. It smells yummy. And also the recipe that I use, it doesn't call for it, but I do like to add a little cinnamon. But I am sticking true to this recipe right now, and we'll see how this goes. And maybe next time I make it, I add some cinnamon. Spread it around. Okay. All set. Okay. Now that 2 tablespoons of sugar comes into play right here, and we're gonna sprinkle this on top. I'm actually surprised it didn't call for like raw sugar. It's like turbinado? What do you call it? Okay, sugar's added. All right, so the oven's at 350. Let's throw this in the oven for 45 minutes. See you then. All right, y'all, it is time to try our banana bread. It smells so good, it looks so good, and I don't know, that's all I can say. This is perfect. There is nothing I would change about this. It is amazing. I really, really like it. I mean, it's banana bread. You can't go wrong with banana bread, right? Like there has to be, there's no such thing as a bad recipe when it comes to banana bread, but this is very good. It's moist, it's yummy. Have it ready for brunch. Have it ready to have, guests come over. It's so easy to make. You saw how easy it is. I mean, you don't need a lot of things to get this done. If you have those bananas that are looking like they're ready to go out the door and be thrown out, don't do it. Make this banana bread. Super good. The other thing you can do is make them into cupcakes. Also an option if you wanted to have some cupcakes instead of a bread. That is the way to go. I also have frozen banana cupcakes before, and they come out just fine. So if you need to make something in advance, try it out. I haven't done it with this recipe, but I'm sure it comes out just fine. So super good. This is definitely gonna be my new banana bread recipe. So thank you for this, and thanks so much for stopping by to watch me make this banana bread. If you make it at home, let me know what you think. Thanks so much for stopping by. See ya. We're gonna be making one of my favorites that I actually have not made her recipe for. Nope, I hate all of this because I'm gonna restart. I'm in the wrong pile. I failed. Wait, hold on. I feel like my hair looks weird. It's yummy, right? Super good. I like the sugar on the top.